This is a video on how to create DVIR forms in the Trucker Shield portal. To create a DVIR form, you first need to go under Settings. Then you scroll down to DVIR Form. Click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. You would give it a form name. You would enter in an image if you so choose. I know it's hard to see and you can only see half of it in this image right now, but this gray truck is our standard image. As long as you follow the size guidelines here, it can be any image that you choose. Then you would enter in inspection areas by clicking the plus sign. These are large areas on the vehicle or trailer. So we'll enter in truck, for example. Then we click the wrench to enter in inspection points. Brakes, for example, click the wrench again. Maybe tires, click save, click the wrench again. Wipers. And you continue going through that process until you've built out your entire form. Now we do come with 9 standard forms and we do have them in multiple languages currently, that is English, French, Spanish, and Serbian, and we are always adding more languages as well. After you have continued and built out your entire form the way that you want it, then you would click Save, and now you've created your form.